Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next favorite video tutorial. Now for this episode, I'm going to be doing the unboxing of this Tenda product. Now it is a outdoor wireless access point. Use it to transmit, send, or of course also receive internet. Would have purchased two of them. Brand new product for me, using it for the first time, so definitely will be doing more than one videos showing you how to connect them and how to actually put it together, but this is just the unboxing for it, right? And normally would use Ubiquiti in terms of these products, but actually would have been seeing some reviews online, so I actually just said, guess what, actually try it personally to see it how it work out. So let's get the unit open. So let's see what comes in the box. Bunch of instruction guides. This is one section, and this is the important part. This is the radio. Definitely don't want to drop this one. Power adapter. Of course it comes with this, I would say a switch, give it power. It comes with the there and this. Then we have what will create the dish itself. So as of course when everything is put together, it should actually look like definitely a dish. So again, as I would have said, using this product for the first time, so I'll be doing videos showing you how to get it up and running in terms of configure it, showing you it actually working in the field. So definitely look forward. You can look forward for some more videos of this Tenda outdoor access point or internet transmitter. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Tech is out of here.